Let me show you how to connect and use USB flash drive with your Samsung Galaxy S26. So to connect a USB flash drive, you'll most likely need adapter like this, which converts regular USB to Type-C, unless obviously you have like a Type-C flash drive. Then if you connect here in the Type-C port, you see it starts to work here. And in the notifications, see it even appears here. So if you click here, it will bring you straight to the, basically the storage. But if it doesn't, you can also swipe up and go to the Samsung folder here and My Files, okay? And by default, you will get in this screen. And then you go over here in the USB storage. So you see, you have it right over here. So you see, you have access to everything here. Also, perhaps if you need to format it, so click here and you see you have the format option. So it will like delete everything and format it for best usage. Then if you, for example, want to transfer some, let's say, pictures or videos to your drive, you simply go a bit back and choose your, let's say maybe images. So what you have, select the image you want to transfer, for example, either click move or copy, and then go over here, swipe and click on the USB storage, okay? And then either select a folder where you want to copy it, or also you can create a new folder here as well, for example, and copy into that. So copy. So you see the files got transferred. You can also explore them here, and as easy as that. So once you are done, so you see you can either click these three dots here and click unmount if you want, or again on a regular flash drive, so you can simply safely pull it out without any problems as well. Probably only see, maybe it says, maybe actually do that, so unmount it. Okay, good luck.